I walked away with borrowed dreams, chasing freedom I couldn't hold. I traded truth for empty roads and left my father's heart so cold. I thought the world would give me life, but all it gave was broken ground. I spent my strength, I lost my way, until my hope ran out. In the silence of my hunger, on my knees with nothing left, I remembered home. I'm coming home, I'm running back to open arms, to endless grace. No longer worthy to be called your son, but mercy calls me by my name. You saw me while I was far away, you ran to me, you wiped my shame. Amazing love, you welcome me. I'm home again, I'm home again. I wore the weight of all my sin, ashamed of choices I had made. I rehearsed my words of guilt, but love erased the words I'd say. Before I spoke, you pulled me close. Before I bowed, you lifted me. You placed your robe around my scars and called me family. Every fear fell to the ground when grace was all I found. I'm coming home, I'm running back to open arms, to endless grace. No longer worthy to be called your son, but mercy calls me by my name. You saw me while I was far away, you ran to me, you wiped my shame. Amazing love, you welcome me. I'm home again, I'm home again. You didn't count my failures, you didn't turn away. Heaven celebrated when I chose to stay. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was dead, now I live. All I am, all I have, to you my life I give. I'm coming home, I'm running back to open arms, to endless grace. I am forgiven, I am restored, because of love that took my place. Forever grateful, forever yours. My heart will sing of saving grace. Amazing love, you welcome me. I'm home again, I'm home again, I'm home again. Because you never stopped waiting.